Hello everyone, my name is Gurange Nikita and today's date is 27 August 2024 and my topic name is online shopping versus offline shopping. Online shopping is a form of the electronic commerce which allows the consumers to directly buy the goods or the services from a seller over the internet using a web browser or a mobile app. In the consumers find the product of the interest by the visiting the website of the retailer directly or by the searching among the alternative vendors using a shopping in the shopping search engine, which also and displays same products availability and pricing at the different e-retailers. As a 2020, customers can shop online using a range of the different computers that are also and the devices including the desktop computers, laptops, tablets, computers, and the smarter phones. The online shop invokes the physical analogy of buying the products or the services at the regular brick and mortar retailer or the shopping center. The process is called as business to consumer, that are also called as the B2C, and online shopping when and online stores is and the setup to enable businesses to buy from another businesses. The process is called as business to business process. It is also called as B2B process. In the online shopping, a typical online stores enables the customers to browse the firms and the range of the products and services, view photos or the images of the products along with the information about the products, the specific from the specific actions in the features and the prices. Unlike the physical stores, which can be and may also close at the right, online shopping portals are always available to the customers, and that are also the online stores usually enable shoppings or the shoppers to use the special features on the find specific models and brands, and that are also items. In the online, customers must have access to the internet and a valid methods of the payments in order to complete a transaction, such as the credit card and the internet and the internetic enable debit cards or the services such as the PayPal. For physical products, for example, paperback books or the clothes, in the tailor ships the products to the customer. For the digital products such as the digital audio files of the songs or the software, the e-tailer usually sends the file to the customer over the internet. In the largest of these online retailing the corporations, and that are also the amazons.com and the pay.com. In the alternative names for the activity are e-tailing, a shortened form of the electronic retail, or the e-studio, e-shopping, and the shortened form of the electronic shopping and online store may also be and called and the e-web store or the e-shopping store, internet shop, web store, online storefront, and the virtual store. Mobile commerce or and the e-commerce describes purchasing from an online retailer's mobile devices or the optimized website or the software specifications and applications app. These are also websites or an app are designed to enable the customers to store the and browse through a combined product and the services and the tablets. In the one of the earliest form of the trade conducted online was and the IBM, that are also online transactions in the form of the processing, that are also an OLTP developed in the 1960s, which allowed the processing of the financial transactions of the real time, and these are also provide the computerized ticket reservation system developed for American Airlines called as the semi-automatic business research environment, that are also called as SABRE, was one of the applications. These computer terminals located in the different travel agencies were and the well the linked to a large IBM mainframe computer which processed transactions stimulate simultaneously, and coordinates that are also provide the that are also and them, so that are also travel agent had access to the same information at the same time, at the same point between the 1971 and the 1972. Students of the MIT used the internet processor AirNet to make the deal with and the exchange of and the airlines, and interaction does not qualify as the commerce between the no money was and transferred online. And that's all about the online shopping versus offline shopping. Thank you.